Hey everybody, it's Friday. I am in the pickup line at school and I'm going to grab James, then I'm going to grab Harper, and then I'm going to go back and grab Hope, and then we're going to grab the dog, and then we're going to meet Jim camping down at Splash Magic Campground. Okay, today it's still 80 degrees even though it's like 6 o'clock, and tomorrow it's only supposed to get up to 75, so I'm going to take the kids to the pool. You can swim and dance at the same time. Egg next to it. So, Jim packed the food cupboards and like, I can't even handle it. I gotta fix this. Nobody cares about this but me, but it was giving me anxiety every time I opened the door, so now I feel a lot better. I always appreciate when a campground has a nice big dog park because Shandy isn't on a line or a leash at home. And so it's nice to be able to let her run because she's not used to being tied up all weekend. Where are we going?
To the pool.
Back to the pool. Is this a different one? campground for now. Not near you. Grandmom got us this neon stone painting kit. So Harper is painting some stones because we missed our chance to do ceramics this morning. Oh yeah. Some green. So I will post a full review of Splash Magic Campground in my blog, so check the description for the link for that below. But we have decided to book this campsite for this weekend next year.
I need a volunteer. All right, come on!
Come on, let's go!
Y'all did great.